Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, in the land called Sneeze, there was a town that rested in a valley next to a big mountain that gazed down at the valley below. And this is where the people known as the Sneezing Folk lived. This town seemed normal, as any other town would seem, but from far away, you could hear the sounds of sniffling and sneezing echoing throughout the valley. No one really understood why this valley was plagued with sneezing. The grown sneezers would tell their children that the land was cursed and everything in it. The folks who lived there tried to stop sneezing because sneezing was very bad. But the more they tried to stop, the harder and the louder they seemed to sneeze. And no matter how hard they would try, no matter how many times they would fight the urge to sneeze, it seemed they could not stop. And so the valley was riddled with snot.